so excited. We are going to do this Margot Robbie like tousled hair look today. Tousled? Wait, is it tousled? Because isn't tousled like, whatever. We're doing this really beautiful hair, okay? So I just want to recreate the look today because I'm going to be filming other videos for you guys, and I thought, why not sneak in a hair tutorial while I can? I'm going to be using this new Mane wand that was sent to me. This is not a sponsored video, but I do have a code with Mane if you'd like to use it. You can use it on their website. It's just Lyss Mane, all caps, and that'll get you 20% off, I believe. Their hot tools are really like the only hot tools I use anymore, so they're the best. Margot Robbie is an actual princess. I really feel like she is one of the most beautiful, if not the most beautiful woman to truly ever walk this earth. And I just love the way that I've seen her hairstyled on some of these carpets. She always has some sort of like loose wave going on that's so stunning. It looks like this, but with more of a bend throughout it. So this hair, I actually blow dried yesterday and used my rollers on it, and so this is just second day hair, and I feel like the tousled look will look great on second day hair. I'm going to split this down the middle. Don't mind me in my robe, by the way, you guys. I am robe obsessed currently. So instead of doing this in layers, I'm actually gonna do one side then the other. I'm just gonna run my fingers through this right now and not use a brush because for this like tousled, is it tousled or tussled? It's tousled. It can't be. We're in a tousled. We're in a tussle. What is the word? Whatever. Go like this and pin this to the side over here. There we go. I'm also using Mane clips. I love Mane. This sounds sponsored. It's not. They did send me this though, so Mane, I love you. Oh my gosh, like so much. This like beautiful wave, right? See how soft that bend is? True work right there. So we're gonna try to figure out how to do that. I think this is the perfect day to try this out because my hair was blow dried yesterday, so it won't be as easy to curl because it was already told to do one thing instead of another. Okay, we're gonna wrap this around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See what it looks like? Okay, I'm gonna pull it. 1, 2, 3. I barely have a bend, like barely. And that's what I want kind of at the bottom because I don't want the bottom to be too curled and shrink up. I want to keep the length. I'm just gonna wrap around the middle like 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? See that? Pull. The world's smallest bend. The thing I've noticed with like her loose waves or like tousled hair is the fact that it's not up high. It's just kind of like here and throughout. I'm gonna do for 6 this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, it's a little too wavy for me. Pull. There we go. See how it's just a soft bend? Do you see that? Now I'm gonna do this one a little, like just down farther, like down right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I think this is perfect to do this after a day where you've either straightened your hair or blow dried it straight already because my hair won't even curl if I want it to. Perfect, love that. Now towards the front. I actually don't mind if it comes towards my face on this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and here we go. There we go. I'm gonna pull this though. I'm gonna hold this for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, that is the perfect bend. Hold for 8, then hold for 4. Hold for 8, pull for 4. Okay, I think we got it. I think we got it. All right, let's try this up top. I really feel like perfecting just like a bend is everything, and I see hairstylists do it with hair straighteners. I don't have that. I can't. Like, I truly have tried a million times. I don't have that talent. I'll leave that to the real professionals. So I'll just do it with what I know best, and that is a wand. Okay, let's try this again. We'll do this from underneath. Hold for 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pull for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This, I feel like I could hold it for 5. Okay, but do you see like the bend it's getting? I love that. Also, I'm leaving, so when I'm doing this, I'm coming down like what, 3 inches, 4 inches, and then leaving some inches down here as well. So I'm really only trying to put a bend right there in the middle. Should I do this one towards the face? Sure, why not? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Should I hold for 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. See? The bend. It's just this slight bend. This is Margot Inspired Hair. I know it's not gonna be perfect, and if I wanna go through the ends and kind of curl a bottom or something, I totally can do that. We'll see how it looks in the end, but for now, this is the groove that we're going for. Now that we're getting closer to the top of the hair, I love when the bend starts right at my cheekbone, and if it goes like something like this, like a, you know what I'm saying? So I'm actually gonna start like this. I'm just gonna hold for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and pull right there. Like I'm just tapping this on this bend part right there. Oh my gosh. See how it's like going into my cheek right here? I don't know if you can tell, but it is. I could do this in 1 layer, but I'm gonna go 2 again for the back. We're like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold and pull. Pulling on the curl will turn it more into a wavy bend, and that is the dream. This feels very like cool girl, I didn't try too hard hair, when in fact this actually really does take an effort. As you can see, it's like a song and dance. I'm trying to figure out the steps here, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As I hold, just do a coffee break. It's just a bend. Did I just discover my new favorite hairstyle? I'm gonna start crying. Now this one, I'm gonna tap right here. I'm gonna hold it back. Kind of holding the hair, do you see that? To get this kind of a moment. Bounce, 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 bounce. I like when the front pieces kind of open up, because when I pull my hair down and when I'm fixing my hair, I always go in right here and like pull back, because I just like the way that comes out around my face. I'm gonna have to do these smaller pieces quick. Okay, ready? Literally like 1, 2, 3 pull. Yeah, because it's already curling real fast. Let's see. There. Right, 1, 2, 3, pull. Okay. Okay, do you see that? Pull, pull. I'll pull this down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, pull. Now, if this feels like too much of a wave for you, you can always hold down and go like this. Act like a straightener. You know what I'm saying? There. How is that looking? Good. Now you can see right here my little like front piece that I love so much. I love having these short pieces in the front for when you put your hair up, but my hair's down today. So to get this to blend in with the rest, I'm gonna take my hair and I'm gonna kind of pull it how I like it. I want it to be like right here. I'm gonna go like this. I'm gonna kind of tap it. I'm gonna hold it like this, like in a hammock. Hammock, hammock, the bang. Okay, and then I'm gonna do that around the way too. So now the hair is doing like this, right? Which is perfect, because when I go like this, it like falls into the hair. See that? Falling flat after the next day, no life, and this is the after. Okay, so this looks perfect to me. It's just like this easy bend tousled look. The best part about this hairstyle is no matter how it wears throughout the day, the messier it gets. If you're outside, if you're running errands, if you're doing whatever, the better it's gonna look. It doesn't need to look perfect. And I live for a hairstyle that doesn't look perfect. There are occasions where you want your hair to look perfect and polished, right? But not every day, unless you're into that. That is all you. But I feel like every day I love a hairstyle that looks a little undone, a little messy. The only thing I wish I had was the Way texture spray. I'm currently out of that. It's the best texture spray I've ever used. I would add that to this hair, but I don't have that, so I'm not gonna do that step. But if I did, the Way texture spray is truly a game changer. This one might fall really flat. Yeah, see, that one falls pretty flat compared to the others, but I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't even care. I'm just gonna let it fall flat, okay? Okay. This is really turning out like exactly as I wanted. I'm so grateful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Okay, I love like the way this is kind of like going in and around the face. I love that. All right, for the final layer, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You guys, I feel like this is gonna be stuck in my head all day now. 1, 2, 3. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and down. I'm gonna pull these ones. I wonder if there's a certain way I should be pulling them, like straight down. We have this like little piece, leave that out. Curl this one. I'm literally gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna push this down, tap, 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 and I'm gonna go like this. 1, 2, 3. Pull this out, tap and pull on the bangs. Hopefully you can see. How does this look? Just tousled and pretty and soft. Good, this is exactly what I was going for. Just a really easy, light wave, tousled look. I hope you guys enjoy. If you would like to see other hair videos soon, let me know and I'll film those for you. I love it. Oh my God, I love you guys. Thank you for watching. If you want to shop Maine, you can do that. Again, this is not sponsored. I genuinely just use their products all the time. I'm obsessed with them. I use the hair clips every day. They're everything. So yeah, I love you guys. If you want to see another Margot Robbie look, let me know. She has this really beautiful, smooth, polished wave that I want to try. I don't know how to do it, but I would love to learn. So if you would like to see that, let me know. If you want to see any other hair videos for me, let me know. Maybe we should bring those back into rotation. I could do that this year. Anyway, love you guys. Thank you for watching. And if you try this, send me pictures. I want to see. It's so good. Bye guys. Love you.